Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ChainSwap for cross-chain asset routing step by step clearly. To activate ChainSwap for cross-chain asset routing, first, ensure you have a compatible crypto. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official ChainSwap website. Once on the website, locate the Connect Wallet button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Connect Wallet button to view the available wallet options. Choose your wallet type from the list presented, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet securely. After connecting, check your wallet balance to ensure you have sufficient assets for the swap. Next, navigate to the swap or cross-chain swap section of the website. Select the asset you wish to send from the drop-down menu. Then, choose the destination blockchain and asset type you want to receive. Enter the amount you wish to swap in the designated field. Review the transaction details carefully to confirm accuracy. When satisfied, click the Swap or Confirm button to initiate the process. A confirmation window will appear. Confirm the transaction in your connected wallet. Wait for the transaction to process, which may take a few moments. Once it's confirmed, you will receive a notification regarding the successful swap. You can now check both your sending and receiving wallets to verify the transaction completion. Feel free to reach out to ChainSwap support if you encounter any issues during this process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.